Make a great choice today with the 2016 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, body color door handles, braking assist, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, battery saver. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.